Assalam alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I tell you how to trace the magnetic field using a bar magnet. First of all, you take a bar magnet and fix it on the paper and draw the lining like this. Now lining on each side of the bar magnet. This is because if we remove the magnet one time, then if we put again on a real place, it will not give a real place. So it will easy when we make a lining on its each side, then it will be easy to put again on its real place. Now if we remove it, then we write here North Pole N and South Pole S, and the compass showing the directions clearly, North and South Pole. Put the north on north and south on south. Then place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. We will see that the south pole of the compass needle will come toward the magnet. Now see carefully. I mark the point where the red needle is. Now again I put a white side of the needle on this side and the magnet is moved toward the North Pole. Remove the magnet for a while and join the points where we mark. Now start next. It is important to put the magnet bar again and again for marks the points. First mark here and then parallel to the needle here, and the needle moves toward the North Pole. You see, I dots on the North Pole towards the North Pole and join each of the points. Now again put the north on north and south on south. This process is continuous. You see where the white needle and the parallel needles I dotted. Now again I join the points. Now we draw on the other side. Same process is repeated in this side. It is important to put the magnet when we join each the lines, and for pointing, if the magnetic bar is disappeared from its real place, then place it again and points where the needles of South Pole. Now join each points as well as I join. Now I make full paper magnet. Where the south needle is. Easy way to understand this is to where the needle is parallel, where the needle is parallel, you mark it with a point, as well as I make I do fast speed of my video because I want to trace the magnetic field full in front of you with the magnet bar. Put the magnet. Again place the compass needle near the North Pole of the bar magnet, but all the different points are repeated the same process to get another magnetic line of force. Where the North Pole starts, you arrows showing towards the North Pole. On another side, I also start from North Pole towards the north side. Okay. Some more lines on the same pattern. These lines will indicate the magnetic field on one side of the power magnet. Repeated the same process on the right side of the power magnet to obtain the magnetic field. First of all, I again tell you where the needle is going, where the needle is, you dot on that side. Now I join these points. And now start these points on the right side. From this point, you see where the needle is, we mark only on that side. This point is wrong. If we join these points, these are wrongs because the needle is not at same line. Okay. Now if we correctly do this, then the line is exact and accurate. This is right. But if we do, this is also correct because we join the points where the needle is. The needle is parallel on that side where we put. Now arrows on both sides. From here we arrows on these sides toward the magnet, and again we make all of the points from all the sides and complete all the bar magnet. This is too much easy, but if you start. Now from each side we draw these. You draw like me. How I draw the figure, you see clearly. If you want to make the magnets of South Pole, then again you repeat this process. How we do this, you see clearly. I think it is clear to all the students and all of my viewers. Now from all the sides, you see where I put the magnet, I join all the points. I make this in front of you, and I also make this. You use pencil because pencil will be important and must for use, but pointer is not allowed. In video I use pointer because the video is not clearly with pens. For tracing the magnetic field, you use only two operators: magnet, bar and compass. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.